Hello guys, today I will do a really quick review of this Sencor hand blender SHB 4501WH. So, more or less, this is how it looks from outside the box, and well, it's not made in China. It says it's made in Czech Republic, so it's should be something better than regular piece of equipment. But as you see, here it is from the side, and what you get inside. Here are some little specs about this device. And overall it is powerful and it's not too loud, so it's good for me. So the first thing what you see is 6-year warranty, and it kind of makes you feel that this is going to be quality stuff. And what you get inside, well, you get this container where you can mix and blender things, and it has also the volumes like cups and milliliters, so it's easy to use this one. That's a good thing. And then let's get in more. Well, here's the blender itself. Here you can regulate your speeds. It goes from 0 to 20. Actually from 1 to 20, so it doesn't go to 0. Yep, just from 1 to 20. So you can use really slowly this, or use the max power out of it. The power button is here, and when it's turned on, it just lights on. Well, here how it looks when it's turned on, as you see. And then the sound, how loud it is from its not too loud, really quick, really not too loud. Here's the rotor blade, and it's how it moves. Well, when it's disconnected from here, then you cannot use this one. Oh no, you can use it. That's quite crazy stuff. So it comes with this blade, and it's quite handy and useful. Here the device itself, 1000 watts. That's quite nice power here. And then overall it looks really nice. It is a bit heavy, not too overweight, but kind of makes you feel that it is quality stuff. While you have to hold it all day, maybe you will get tired. This is just one piece, and here is this one for if you, for example, want to scramble your eggs. Actually, once tried it out already in a regular bowl, and it just splash everywhere around. So most probably you have to use this bowl if you want to do it. It's impossible to control it when it just rotates like crazy. And here is the biggest disappointment of all times. Actually, I tried it just once. I used it for carrots. Kind of made this deal really good and work rather nicely. Chops easy and without any problems, but here is the thing why I'm doing this review. Well, as you see, the top here is like without this plastic piece, and because I just want to take it to the warranty, and probably they will give me back my money. The locking mechanism is really like kind of loose. I think it should be a little bit more tighter. Kind of feels like totally unsafe. But so here's the biggest problem of all times. This painting, what's actually made here, so you can rotate this thing below the blades, and everything else is made from the total soft plastic. And well, this is from the metal, and it's a square one, and when it's on top of it, it should be like fitting there and not moving just by itself, but moving the blade itself. But you see it now doesn't do anymore, because this has turned from the square inside to the round inside, and this just makes me think about the quality of this stuff. Like 6-year warranty, seriously. Well, if I would be in your place and you're looking for the full set, not just for the blender, well, I would avoid this. So be aware from Sencor hand blender SHB. And yeah, who knows? I was thinking the Sencor, the brand is a little bit better since they have at least brand, but yeah, this kind of bad experience, and plus I didn't use it for anything really hard to just chop. I paid about $27-30. Originally it cost about $50, so almost twice as cheap. And then you can, and that was a rather nice deal. So but more or less I was really disappointed that this just, you see, little plastic piece is made from really soft plastic, and doesn't take any sort of hard things inside, even not that hard. Also, I had a really bad experience about this blender. Well, just because of this one. Using this about just less than 2 weeks, and not like every day, but just about 3 times, and already bad experience. And on this basis, I would just say maybe avoid this, maybe avoid even this brand if they make such things and claim that quality stuff, that they're making quality stuff. Well, it's up to you, but just my fair warning for you guys. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.